Just coming out for the first time after what was one of the longest nights in history to see if there was or what damage there was. So far so good, not really seeing anything. Main thing is this big boy here that we've been worried about for a while is still up, so that's a good sign. Not seeing any damage, which is great. We moved a couple of things in last night in preparation for this. I tied this up and that's been successful. That's actually held it quite well, which I'm great. Very, very happy about that. I think they've actually fared pretty well from the looks of it. Got to check out the front, but out the back here, I would say we've had success, yeah. Very happy. Everything out here looks pretty good too. Wow. A couple of damaged frost cloths. This one's been torn completely to pieces. There's even the blooms. Most of those look like they've stayed on, which is pretty cool. Last season we lost half of our flowers through the winds around the same time of year. Sloquat's pretty exposed in the open here with the fence the way it is, so pretty happy about that. It's been alright. Frostcloth Agona. Yeah, it's pretty good. Oh yeah, nice green bean Frostcloth Sagana. Pretty good outcome, really. Pretty happy. Yeah, couldn't ask for a better outcome. Nice. About the bananas. Okay. Bananas are intact too. Nice. Well, I hope everyone's as fared as well as I have. I'm sure, unfortunately, there's people out there that probably haven't. But so far, I'm pretty sure there's, apart from some Frostcloth casualties, I'm pretty sure that there's not one damaged tree in the whole property. Can't believe it. I feel very lucky. Alright. Thanks, guys.